Yes, there are different repair methods for architectural versus 3-tab asphalt shingles, and matching the shingle style and layer pattern is critical for a seamless repair. Architectural shingles are thicker and laminated, so when replacing a damaged piece, start by sliding up the surrounding shingles and loosening the adhesive tabs with gentle heat if needed. Then remove the nails and lift out the damaged shingle section, including any underlying broken tabs. Cut a new shingle to match the exact exposure and layer profile. Tuck the lower edge under the course above and drive corrosion-resistant roofing nails through the solid laminate portions only, keeping nails clear of the adhesive strip so the heat-activated sealant will bond when pressure is applied. For 3-tab shingles, which are single layer and have uniform cutouts, lift the tabs above the damaged area, remove the fasteners, and replace with a full tab or a cut one to match the original exposure, aligning the cutouts precisely so the shadow lines remain consistent. Use roofing cement under the butt edge of a replacement tab if you cannot properly slip it under the course above, and always maintain the manufacturer recommended exposure, usually around 5 inches to 7 inches depending on the product, to preserve overlap and water shedding. When replacing multiple shingles in a patch, replicate the original nail pattern and spacing so wind performance is not compromised, and when possible, replace an entire course across the run for the best visual match and to avoid stepped color variation. Finally, inspect the roof deck and flashing as you work, since soft deck or compromised flashing under any shingle type requires repair first or the new shingles will fail prematurely. Common mistakes are using the wrong replacement profile, which causes obvious mismatched appearance and altered water shedding, so always match the laminate thickness and tab spacing or replace the full course to hide differences. Another issue is improper nail placement that either leaves nails exposed to the weather or punctures the adhesive area, and the fix is to follow the shingle manufacturer guidelines for nail location and to use the correct number of nails per shingle. A third frequent problem is failing to address underlying problems such as curled edges, rot, or flashing failures. Do a quick probe of the deck and check adjacent flashings and underlayment and repair any substrate or flashing issues before installing the new shingles. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a discussion community where we and our members share real-world repair tips and contractor experiences that are relevant to shingle repairs. We help contractors find work by listing their services and letting them participate in community discussions to showcase expertise.